Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about variables and explain the if-else statement in EV3 Basic. So let us now start with variables. Variables in EV3 Basic can simply be defined as first the variable name equal to sign and then the value. So any variable can be given any type of value. For example, I can give the same variable a string value. I can give the same variable a boolean value or a decimal. All these are acceptable in small basic. Variables are especially useful if we want to carry out some mathematical functions like so or some complex ones, and they are also useful for storing sensor values. Like I can store a sensor value in a variable and access it later. An important point for naming the variables is that the variable name cannot be a pre-reserved keyword of small basic. For example, if, then, while, for, and then sub, all these are keywords reserved for special tasks. So these cannot be variable names. Next, we have the if-else statement. The if-else statement compares a certain set of conditions, and if the conditions are true, then it performs some functions. Else, it performs some other functions. For example, in this piece of code, there are two variables, condition 1 and condition 2. When condition 1 is true, task A is executed. And if condition 2 is true and condition 1 is false, then the task B is executed. Else, that means if both condition 1 and condition 2 are false, then task C is executed. These statements are called conditional statements and are very useful for making programs.